YouTube family, what is good? It's your boy Ricky Redline, and I am back with yet another one. So if you remember about maybe, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos ago, I told you guys I would show you how to do the Autotune session on the PV4. Well, unfortunately it's been raining like crazy here in all of California, in fact. And so there's been no opportunity to really ride. So today has cleared up. God has shown us favor, and today will be the day. I will show you guys how to set it up on the PowerVision app. You got to download the app, sync it to your bike, ECU, and then we'll go from there, baby. You guys stay tuned.
Red line. Ricky! That light. Ricky Red line, hit the gas, no break time. Lights flash, big screen, yeah, it's showtime.
All right, guys, so I got the PowerVision app up on my phone. Right now it does not recognize anything because I have the bike turned off, so the Bluetooth can't sync to the bike. So let's go ahead and switch that on. Wait for that to connect. As you can see, connected. All right, so with the bike connected, we're gonna click right here in the lower left corner, Autotune, select tune. We're gonna click on the one I just last flashed, select for Autotune. We're gonna do Autotune Basic because I have stock O2 sensors, enable basic, flash Autotune. Yes, and let it do its thing. So it's uploading this current map of all the corrections that I made 8 times prior, and I'm just gonna put it in the Autotune. So now when I ride, yep, you just heard it right there. So now when I ride, it will add on to those corrections. All right, see the little icon, flash complete. Okay, so now we turn the bike off, wait 10 seconds. All right, turn it back on, let it connect. All right, so when you open up Autotune this time, it'll bring up the histogram. Now all these cells are red right now, but as you can see, once I start the bike, this little black box right here will start bouncing around the little cells, filling them, correcting the tune as I ride. So they suggest 20 to 30 minutes of riding. I'm gonna do about that. I got a little bit of sunlight left, so I'm gonna enjoy it. I will do some street riding. I will also be doing some highway riding just to mix it up a bit and allow the tune to get a proper read. All right, YouTube. So I'll go ahead and put the screen recording up on the screen here so you guys can see. The bike has to get up to temperature first in order for the PowerVision to start reading it. Once it gets up to temperature, you'll start seeing these red boxes turn green. It's a nice day to ride. The sun is out. So yeah, man, I want to show you guys how easy it was to tune your bike if you got a stage 1 with the PowerVision 4. Super easy, right from your phone. You don't need to hook it up to a laptop, and that's what attracted me to the DynoJet PowerVision 4. Just the ease of use, man. But I say that to say this. This will be my last day having a stage 1. But yeah, man, I'm going to drop this off. I'm going to Ram Racing in San Jose. If you're in the Bay Area, this is a dope shop to go get some performance work done, man. So we're doing the stage 2 upgrade on this bike. It's actually not a mainstream cam. It's produced by Andrews, but it's a custom cam they make for the shop. So I am getting a D&D 2-in-1 billet cat with the big bore baffle. I got the 107, man. I'm trying to push out as much power as I can. I'm also getting a Trask Assault air cleaner. Again, trying to maximize this 107. I am getting the S&S oil pump, cam plate. I will will say this, y'all. Ever since I done this tune, this bike is definitely snappier. You guys get the gist of it by this point. You guys get it. You see what the Power Vision 4 is doing. So you ride like you normally ride, and you let it do its thing. It's that simple. I will film the experience. I'll double check with the guys in the shop to see if they don't mind being filmed. I almost did a 124 kit upgrade, but I held back. I said, let me see how I feel with this stage 2 first, and we'll go from there. Either on the back roads or I'm gonna take it on the highway. I'm not sure. I think I need to take it on the highway. Hey, I'll tell you this though. These Flow Motorsport levers, night and day. Night and day from the stock levers. Super worthy upgrade. I'm very happy with these. I'm extremely happy with these. Adjustable, so you can adjust them to your liking. You know, however you ride. So I really do like these. Also, these hand guards. These carbon fiber Advent black hand guards. It's cold out today. I got my heavy jacket on. I got my leather gloves on. And I got these hand guards, man. I don't feel a thing on these hands, whereas before, that was a totally different situation. And now these lights, these Hogworkz saber-tooth lights. I can tell you this, man, a lot more people looking my way because they noticed that one bright-ass amber light, which was the whole point, right? I want people to notice me. Alright, y'all, as you can see on the camera, you can see how bright these Hogworkz lights are. And this is on low beam. These are the Hogworkz saber-tooth headlights. I got the one bright white, the one amber. These are bright. These are a lot better than the stock headlights, I will tell you that. But that goes without saying. You guys already know that. You can see how these headlights are lighting up the roadway in front of me. I can see just fine. A lot better than the stock ones. This bike chopping like it got a cam in there already. It's just chopping. All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of this video right here. All of the upgrades look great on the bike. Let me give you guys one last look. Oh yeah, and I went ahead and put on the Advent Black ProTech saddlebag guards, the carbon fiber hand guards, the carbon fiber tank dash, the bad boy cycle seat, and let me go ahead and show you guys the headlights. Custom dynamics turn signals. It's a dope shot right here. And tomorrow she won't be the same no more. We got the stage 2 coming. You guys stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this day. And I'm about to ride, man. I'm about to ride. Many blessings to you all. Be safe. It's your boy Ricky Redline out.